Meaning of demisemiquaver.
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 Demisemiquaver. A demisemiquaver is a term used in music to describe a very short note that is equal to 1/32 of a whole note. It is also known as a 30-second note. In musical notation, it is represented as a filled-in oval with a stem and 3 flags. Demisemiquavers are commonly used in fast-paced music and can add a sense of urgency or excitement to a piece. They require precise timing and quick finger movements from the performer. Overall, a demisemiquaver is a small but essential component in the world of music notation.